How to change Instagram password. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Your home page appears. At the bottom you will find different icons. Tap on this profile icon of yours given at the bottom right corner. After you land to your profile, at the top right corner you will find three bars. Tap on it. Now from here you have to select the option of settings. Open it. Now go to this option of security, open it. Tap on the option password given at the top. Now from here you can easily change your password. First you have to type in your current password over here. Now you have to type in new password. Re-enter your password. And after you are done, you can tap on save given at the top right corner. This is how you can easily change your Instagram password. Your Instagram password has been changed. I hope now you guys are clear about how to change Instagram password. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.